Hi, my name is Filipe Carrera, and I would like to share with you a very neat tool that I use, for instance, to decide the time and the place of a meeting. And that tool is Google Forms, a part of Google Docs. Let's see it. To create a form using Google Docs, the first thing that you have to have is a Google account. So you create a Google account and then you can start using Google Docs. This is the interface of Google Docs. And on this interface you can choose make a form. And with this you can put, for instance, a title for this form can be next meeting. And it is the next meeting of Team A. So the form always brings two questions. And the first question is name. Well, I want people to put their name. And the second question is date and time. So I will put several possibilities. So we are talking about several possibilities that people can choose and can choose more than one. So I have this kind of fields. Text, paragraph text, multiple choice. In this case, they choose only one of the possibilities. Checkboxes. And here is what I want, because they can choose several or choose from a list or make a scale of it. But this case is the checkbox that I want. So in option 1, I will have the 23rd of January at 5 p.m. On the second, I will have the 24th at 2 p.m. And on the third, I would have 25 at 3 p.m. And because this is the question, I will make it required, because that's the reason for doing the form. Also, the name, if I want to know who can and when, I would put also required. And for that, I can edit at all time and make it required. There are two more buttons. One is duplicated, and another is to delete. So duplicated, I can duplicate this field. The delete, I can trash this field at any time. Also, I can add more questions by clicking this button, and I can choose the type of questions. So my form is done, so I will save it, and it will be available at this website. So I will save it. And this is more or less how it looks, because I can see it directly on the website that is now online. So I can even register now, and I can on the 23 and I can on the 25. So I click send. So I receive a response that will be in the language of my browser. In this case, it's appearing in Portuguese. So now I left my form for some time online, and some people answer to that form. So I go, this is the name of my form, I click on it, and I will enter the form, and I see the answers of the form in a spreadsheet way. So I can check who can at what time, and I can see all the answers from all the people, from my answers and the next one. But I also can see it as a summary. So I can go here to form and show summary. And it will show me a summary of the answers. So in very fast mode, I can see that only 75% accepted 24. So this is the most important data, and I have here the names of the people that accepted. Also, I can send, I can go back to editing and email this form, or send the link directly. So I can send, putting here the names, I can, the addresses, to better say, the email addresses, I can send it to everybody that is interested. This is a very nice way of creating forms for registration, or making a pool to make some research, and it's very simple and easy. And the spreadsheet that we saw a moment ago, we can export it to Excel in a very fast way, and work with the data that is created like that. So this is a knowledge pill about Google Docs using the tool form.